Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you friends? Hope everyone is fine. Welcome to Little Wings Arabic channel where you get everything, every video updated regarding the basic Arabic learning skills. Okay. As you know, as I said you last video that we have started about the banners and important things which you find in airport, Arabic words and all. I was explaining that. Hope you liked it. It's very interesting and. That is a continuation of this that series. Okay, so I was telling, I will write the pronunciation also. Murakaba al jawaza. So I was telling murakaba, okay, then I should write al jawazat. Murakaba al-Jawazat. Murakaba al-Jawazat means passport control. Passport control where you have to, they will check this one, what is the entry date, exit date, if you wear your, just they will stamp it. Okay, so many counters you will find there, right? You will hand in your passport there. So that counters and all is called Murakaba al Jawazat. It will be written in the board itself. You can see there. But when you see that, you have to proceed towards it to submit your passport and get it stamped, or go that side. They will ask you to look into the camera, right? Look into the camera and all. So what is that called? So that call you can say Fahs Ain. Okay, Fahs Ain is one word. Fahs Ain means eye checkup. Fahs Ain, one eye checkup is when you go to for checking up your number and all. If you are not seeing properly and all, that is also called Fahs Ain only. Okay, but not this one. This is Fahs Ain is airport. In the airport when they say check, look into the camera and all, they say no, look straight, look into the camera. They look into the camera. So this is called. So Fahs Ain. Fahs Ain means eye checkup. One more word is there for this. I will just tell you. So this is eye checkup. So Fahs Ain is eye checkup, but it is in airport I am talking about. Okay. So please remember this. One more word is there for eye checkup. It is called basma. Okay, basma is also called eye checkup. I'll write the pronunciation. Basma is called also eye checkup in airport. This is also especially used. This term is used in airport. Eye checkup. Okay, so they say eye checkup. So after the eye checkup, everything is done. You are again proceeding straight, right? After you are taking the passport and all in your hand, now you are going to next step. Whether you are going to the gates now, right? Gate number, yeah. So what is that gate number? How to say that gate number? What it is called? It will be written right. Bawaba Rakham. Bawaba Rakham. Bawaba Rakam. Announcement also will be there. Okay, Bawaba Rakam. Okay, so Bawaba Rakam is called gate number. Gate number in Arabic. So you will see this, or in announcement also you will hear Yurjam Hazarat Rukaba Tayrat Tayran al Imarat. Work is done now. Yes, you are waiting for the flight to be taken off. That's boarding time is there. Before that, you will find one more important thing. What is that? That is duty free. Yes, where you buy so many chocolates, whatever you want, fine. So what is that duty free called in Arabic? That is called Souk al Hurra. Souk means shopping. Al Hurra. Hurra means free, you can freely shop now. So what is that called in Arabic? Souk al al-hurra. Suq al-hurra is the correct pronunciation. Suq al-hurra means duty free. Every airport you will find this shop, duty free. Okay. The step when you are going, while some people have habit of smoking and all, right? So friends, after duty free shopping is over, now you are waiting. So while we are waiting, some people have some people have love to have smoking habit or not to go this. Usually everyone knows that smoking is injurious to health. It's not advisable and it's not good for wise people. Don't smoke usually. So Ghurfa at-Tadkeen, Ghurfa at-Tadkeen, Ghurfa al-Tadkeen, Ghurfa at-Tadkeen means smoking area. You will find this in every airport. Smoking area it is designated for. Aboard the aircraft. So what is that called? So boarding the aircraft is called Su'ud. Last after the announcement is done, so you are going now boarding the aircraft. What is called as-Su'ud ila at-Ta'ira. As-Su'ud ila at-Ta'ira. I'll write the pronunciation. Al-Su'ud ila al-Ta'ira. As-Su'ud ila al-Ta'ira means boarding. Boarding, yes, boarding flight.
Thank you for watching this
Boarding
video until it is finished.
flight. So here you go. So this is the journey till you. So next video I will try to cover what are the words when it are used in airport when it is arrivals, for arrivals and related things, whatever you find in the airport, that I will upload surely. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.